In this video, I'll show you how to add a section in Squarespace. First, sign in to your Squarespace account and open the website you want to edit. From the main dashboard, open Pages and select the page where you want to add the new section. Next, click Edit to open the page editor. Move your cursor between two existing sections until you see the Add Section option. Click it to open the Section menu. After that, choose the type of section you want to add. Squarespace provides different layouts for text, images, galleries, forms, and other content. Select a layout that fits your page. Now, customize the new section. Click the different content areas to add your text, images, buttons, or other blocks. You can also adjust the section's background, spacing, and design settings. Next, drag the section up or down if you want to change its position on the page. Review the layout on both desktop and mobile views to make sure everything looks correct. Finally, click Save or Done to keep your changes, then preview the page to make sure the new section appears where you want it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a section in Squarespace. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.